give me your side of the story so I know what's going on.
They came here and harassed me. I have PTSD. They knew exactly that I was ill. It's not the first time, it's the second, not the second time. I have PTSD and they came to
With what I saw
me.
on the video, I have hands down. Cooperate with me, it'll be easy. Don't with me, it will be difficult. Am I clear?
A routine shift inside a mall food court turns explosive. A heated confrontation, a police response, and body cam footage that would cost one employee her job. It happens inside a Cinnabon in Wisconsin. Customers report a verbal outburst at the counter. Words exchanged, tensions rising. Management calls police to intervene. When officers arrive, the employee appears emotional and defensive, clearly upset by what just occurred.
Bet you know why I'm here.
Huh?
Bet you know why I'm here. Do you know why I'm here?
No.
Has to do with the video I just saw.
Yeah.
The way you treated those customers.
They treated me like at
So
first.
give me your side of the story so I know what's going on.
They came here and harassed me. I have PTSD. They knew exactly that I was ill. It's not the first time, it's the second, not the second time.
Okay.
So
What are you
don't
doing?
try to come at me and when they threaten me.
Okay, I didn't come at you. So tell me what's going on. What else is going on? What did they do to you?
I don't know. They started threatening me. I don't know.
How did
I have
they
no
start
idea.
threatening
I have
you?
no idea. I don't know.
So you don't know how they threatened you?
Nope.
Okay. You understand this does not make a lot of sense to me.
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense to me either. And I'm the one being
So-
harassed, and you just came at me and telling me that.
I did not come at
What
you.
do you want?
I want to know what's going on. Why you treated those customers that way? What they did to you for you to do
I
that?
did not treat them. They treated me that way. This is a setup. Listen, I'm not playing money rolls right now.
Well, tell me what happened so we can figure out what's going on.
Nothing happened.
Well, what's your first name, dude? Okay, we're gonna do this one of two ways. Okay, you can start cooperating with me. Give me your name, your info,
I can leave now. I'm
Or-
not dealing with
or-
this crap.
I can just arrest you, bring you to jail for
For
disorderly
what?
conduct. Disorderly conduct.
Are you kidding me? I
Nope.
have PTSD,
Nope.
and they came to
With what I
harass
saw
me.
on the video, I have hands down.
My
enough
name is
evidence.
Chris.
That's all I'm asking for at this moment. Cooperate with me, it'll be easy. Don't with me, it will be difficult. Am I clear? I'm not.
Yes.
Okay. Crystal, how do you spell it?
CRYSTAL.
What's your middle initial?
T.
Last name.
Body cam footage captures the exchange. The employee argues with officers, explaining her side of the story. Her tone shifts between frustration and justification. She acknowledges using offensive language, but insists she was under stress and emotional strain at the time.
You treated them the way you treated them in the
I
video.
have no idea. They
What
started
happened?
threatening me. All they said was that something about because the other two girls came and harassed me, and then I have no idea. I have no idea.
What other two girls?
There was two girls previous to them.
But so they didn't harass you previously? Two other girls did?
Yes.
Do you understand that's not fair to treat them that way and they didn't
I
harass
didn't
you?
treat them anyway. Do you have the beginning of this before they started recording?
I'm trying to get that from you, but you won't tell me.
There's no beginning. That's the thing, because you have 2 against 1 now. So
No,
there's
I
nothing
don't.
that happened. You threatened
Explain to me what happened.
to take me to jail.
Absolutely, because you're being extremely uncooperative with me.
Because I'm frustrated.
So tell me what happened. That's what I'm asking.
I have no idea what happened.
How can you not
it just
know
got
why you treated me that
boisterous.
way?
I didn't listen, Tom. I know that you came because of Tom Van.
Who's Tom Van?
Listen, I don't know what to tell you, but I have no idea what happened. I'm the one being
Okay,
harassed.
here's the
I have
deal,
a
okay?
I have
The
a
mall's getting a copy of the video.
great. Then I
Corporation's getting a copy of the
quit.
video.
Great. I can quit.
So just so you know,
Great. I don't need to
I don't know
work
what
here.
those two want done yet.
Officers remain calm. They make it clear, regardless of personal struggles, certain behavior in public spaces has consequences. No arrests are made, but the incident is documented, and the footage speaks for itself. Soon after, the video surfaces online. Public reaction is swift. Within days, the employee is terminated from her job.
Are you recording?
I'm gonna record you. Yes.
Do you want me to throw water on you or something?
If you do that, I'm gonna knock you out. And I have the right to do that.
I would get the out of my face with your recording.
You better fear for your life. Exactly. Get the out of here. You racist. You racist.
Racist? That's I am racist.
So for real.
You are an
You are an idiot. No,
I
I'm
am
not.
racist, and I'll say that to the whole entire world. world. Don't be disrespectful.
You ruined your life, by the way.
Oh, you're talking about respect? You're talking about respect? You are fired from this place, motherfucker. You're not gonna be working here.
Suck it.
Suck what? Look how you
Suck
fucking look
it.
like. What's wrong with
I
you?
don't know, bro. Like, why?
Don't come on, acting there.
First you told like she's having a bad day or one day.
Ugly ass girl. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're not.
So I'm still even crying over the table and gave that like she wanted to come out and
That's just like earlier you was right. Keep pushing. Keep squeezing that caramel. Get the fuck out of here.
The company releases a statement distancing itself from the behavior, citing zero tolerance for offensive conduct. Online, opinions are divided. Some argue accountability, others debate intent versus impact. But the footage leaves little room for interpretation.
Okay, if they want you arrested,
I haven't done anything
you're
to
going
them.
to get arrested.
You can't threaten me.
I'm not
want a
threatening
lawyer.
you.
I want a lawyer.
That's fine. You can ask for one.
I have
don't
not
really
done
care.
a single thing. You
So,
cannot arrest
I will be
me
back.
because
how you doing?
Good.
We just come here, you know, order some food and we're trying to get some snacks too, you know, cinnamon rolls and boba. So after we ordered our food, we went to the cinnamon spot. There was a lady working there. First, we were waiting in the line for too long. She was just cleaning around, doing her business, you know, like while we are in the line. It wasn't a big deal. We just hang in there, wait. She come to us at the end. She asked what she want. I placed my order.
Okay.
When we placed the order, when she was adding the caramel and the rolls, she added a little bit because the
In the age of body cams and viral video, moments like this don't stay private for long. One interaction, one recording, one outcome. Body cam footage doesn't argue, it documents. And once the camera is rolling, consequences follow. Actions have consequences. Subscribe for more real body cam stories.